Are you tired of hitting the boost post and seeing zero sales? Many small businesses feel like they're shouting into the void, getting likes but no real results. The boost post button feels easy, but it's often a digital black hole for your budget. It gives you basic reach but lacks the precision needed to turn viewers into customers. Think of it like a blunt instrument when you need a surgical tool. The real game changer is running actual ad campaigns. This is where you get unparalleled control. Forget just boosting a post. We're talking about a sophisticated machine designed for strategic marketing. You can define exact goals like leads, sales, or website visit traffic and optimize everything to hit them. Ready to make the switch? Here's your blueprint. Step number 1. Define your clear objective. What do you really want? More leads, direct sales, or website visits? This guides every single decision. Don't skip this. Without a clear goal, your campaign will lack direction and likely fail to deliver meaningful results for your small business. Step 2. Understand your audience like never before. This is where the magic happens. Go beyond age and location. Dive into interests, behaviors, even past website visitors for remarketing campaigns. Target people who are actually interested in what you offer. It's like finding your exact customer in a crowd. Step number 3. Design compelling creative that stops the scroll. Your ad copy, visuals, and the call to action are crucial. Focus on benefits, not just features. Use high-quality, eye-catching images or videos that are relevant and emotionally resonant. And make your call to action crystal clear, like shop now, learn more, or get your free quotation. Make them want to click. Step 4. Master your budget and bid strategy. This isn't just setting a number. You can choose between daily or lifetime budgets and select various bidding strategies based on your objective. For example, bid for clicks if your goal is traffic, or for conversions if you're focused on sales. Monitor your spending. Adjust as needed to maximize ROI. No more throwing money away. Step 5. Track, analyze, and optimize for continuous improvement. Install that pixel. Track actual conversions like sales or leads. Forget vanity metrics like likes. Focus on KPIs like return on ad spend, cost per lead, and click-through rate. What's working, what isn't working? Use this data to refine, test, and scale. This iterative process is how you achieve long-term success. So stop guessing and start strategizing. Your journey to predictable, scalable growth begins with real ad campaigns. Thanks for watching. For more videos like this, follow and subscribe.